Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I fill my brows. That's why we're all zoomed in up close. So I use 3 things to fill my brow. I think I have a video of it already on the page, but this is an updated version of how I fill my brows. Okay, so the first thing I use is this, the Crayon Case Brow Pomade in dark brown. I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I use this brow pencil right here. Alright, so we're gonna get started. Usually what I do first is I just ran my hand through my brows like that. I honestly need to clean up my brows, but that's what I usually do first. Then I take my brow pomade, I gotta open it. So this is how it looks. So I take my brow pomade on my little pencil thing and I just like dip it. Alright. Then I start filling from the back. Just like that, you just start filling. So you can already see the difference. Alright, and we're gonna dip in there some more. And keep filling. I don't know why I chose to do this brow. This is my trouble brow. Like, this brow always gives me trouble. But we're just gonna keep filling. I like my brows to be twins, not sisters, okay? So we're gonna get that to be twins. Not bad. Then when I do next, I grab my NYX pencil. It's a brow powder pencil, and first I use just spoolie end, and I just brush everything. Whatever's in the back, I try to bring it to the front. Just like that. See? And then I take the pencil and I just light feather strokes to fill the front. Just like that. Alright, after that, we're going to take the LA Girl. I already have some on the back of my hand. We're going to take the LA Girl and we're going to use a flat concealer brush. I like to use, let me put this right here. So I like to use this brush. It's so old. It's from Molly Cosmetics. It's a flat brush. It's a flat concealer brush. And I start cleaning up from the back to the front. And remember, your brows must be twins, not sisters, so take your time when you're cleaning up. Then I go on top, just to make sure the ends of the brows are like sharp. Just like that. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add a little of the concealer to my lid so it can have a smooth canvas, and prepping my lid for the eyeshadow look. I probably won't record that part because I just want this to be like a brow tutorial. But for now, that's it. This is how I fill my brows. I know some people like to go with a lighter concealer above. Me, I like to keep everything in my skin tone, and when I highlight and contour, then I go a little light around the brow area. Okay, so that's how I fill my brows. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.